Good morning. Open your cameras. I can see your smiling faces.
Good morning, ma'am.
Join your hands. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Take one more deep breath and out. Take one more deep breath and feel the magical air. Focus on your breathing. See how your breath is going in and out. Feel the magic of the breath and be thankful to the universe. Thank you, universe, for this divine time. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful morning and an amazing day, for giving us another opportunity to work on ourselves, to make one more day better, even if I failed yesterday. Thank you, universe, for blessing us with all the abundance that is flowing into our life. Each and every participant is receiving something or the other. Thank you. My heartfelt prayer that each one has all that it requires. Each one gets all that they want. Bless each one with smile, with happiness, with the wealth and the opportunities they desire. Bless each one with good health and relationships, that they have a loving family. Thank you, universe, for blessing us with all the abundance that is flowing every day, each moment in our lives. Give us the understanding to understand the smallest things what we are getting, so that we are aware about of our abundance. Thank you, universe, for bringing us into this journey and knowing what the real richness is. Thank you for making me a channel of blessing so that I enlighten other people's life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And open your eyes. Okay, so today we are going to the third chapter. Yeah, I'll just share the screen. So today's chapter is about, I just hope you're able to see the screen. We finished two chapters. They're very small ones in these. Second was the science of getting rich. Yesterday we understood what is the real meaning of getting rich, that there is a certain way of thinking and doing your work. आज का चैप्टर जो है is opportunity monolized. Okay, what does that mean? Monolized का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone knows? Okay, so monolized means to take control, like there were initially people who wanted in politics that सिर्फ हम ही ये काम करेंगे और कोई दूसरा ये काम नहीं कर सकता, then they never allowed. So to control something or the other people, that they cannot share, that is called opportunity. Sorry, monolized. So is opportunity monolized? Now, what do you mean by opportunity? when you get something, right? When someone tells you something to do, you get an opportunity, to work, to create something. Someone gives you an opportunity to come and become a speaker. Someone gives you an opportunity to become, some head person in their community. So that is opportunity. So is opportunity monopolized? उसका मतलब होता है कि someone wants to control. Okay. So here he's saying no man is kept poor because opportunity has been taken away from him. Okay. Here he's saying no man is kept poor because opportunity has been taken away from him because other people, sorry, have monopolized the wealth and have put a fence around it. ऐसा होता है क्या कि किसी ने यानी सब वेल्थ अपने पास रख लिया. Have you seen like that? That no man is kept poor because opportunity has been taken away from him. ओके आपको ऐसा लगता है क्या कि अगर आपसे अपॉर्चुनिटी ले ली जाए तो आप पुअर रहोगे? इंटरैक्टिव आंसर.
No.
See, you may be shut off from engaging in business in a certain lines, but there are other channels open to you, right? हमारे पास चैनल्स रहते हैं ना. कुछ भी, चलो ठीक है, मुझे आज ये जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली. Won't you go for another job? Won't you go for another interview? Right? So you may be shut off. They're saying it's like it cannot be, that you may be shut off from engaging in business in a certain lines. But there are other channels open to you. अगर एक दरवाजा बंद होता है तो दूसरा दरवाजा हमेशा खुला रहता है. It is like how we look at it. It is how we are moving around it. How are we taking it? अगर आप अपने आप से मेहनत ही नहीं करोगे, आप उस दरवाजे तक जाओगे ही नहीं, तो वो दरवाजा खुलेगा कैसे आपके लिए? आप ऐसे बोलोगे मैं बैठा हूं, कोई मुझे जॉब दे दे, कोई मुझे जॉब दे दे, कोई मुझे जॉब दे दे, तो होगा क्या? नहीं होगा, राइट? So probably it would be hard for you to get control of any of the great railroad systems. That field is pretty well monopolized. But the electric railway business is still in its infancy and offers plenty of scope for enterprise. यानी अगर आपके कोई एक चीज के ऊपर आपका कंट्रोल नहीं है तो ऑलवेज देर इज अनदर थिंग वे यू कैन go and do something, and it will be but a very few years until traffic and transportation through the air will become great industry. Now this book was written in 1910. Okay, this book is published in 1910. So this is, they are talking about that time कि अगर एक के पास अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है तो दूसरी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. And in all its branches will give employment to hundreds of thousands and perhaps to millions of people. So why not turn your attention to the development of the aerial transportation? तभी शायद flights भी नहीं थे. So they are talking about flights instead of competing with J.J. Hill and others for a chance in the steam railway world. So उस टाइम पे पहले शायद सिर्फ steam जो इंजन था वो बना था, and all wanted to now go into that area. So here he's talking about that. So it is quite true that if you are workmen in the employ of Steel Trust, you have very little chance of becoming the owner of the plant in which you work. हो सकता है कि आप एक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो and there is very less chance, okay, very less chance कि आप उसके ओनर बन जाओ. But it is also true that if you will commence to act in a certain way, you can soon leave the employ of the steel trust and you can buy a farm of 10 or 40 to 40 acres and engage in the business of the producer of foodstuff. So here he's talking about different opportunities. कि ठीक है, आज अगर आप एक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो, आप वो कंपनी को खरीद नहीं सकते हो. बट अगर आप एक दूसरी तरीके से सोचना शुरू करें and you move away from there, you can definitely start your own business. You can definitely start your own business if you have. Now, in the recent book, he is saying that at different periods of tide, opportunity sets in different directions according to the needs of the whole and particular stage of social evolution that has been reached. At the beginning of 21st century in America, manufacturing and related industries are declining, but new opportunities are opening in many areas such as healthcare, computers, and service. Because see, there was no raw material in America. If you go to see that time, even food they import. So there was only opportunities in few areas. So that is what he's talking about here. So there is great opportunity at this time for men who will live upon small tracts of land and cultivate the same intensely. Such men will certainly get rich. But if you go and do something differently, okay, आपको कुछ करना है, आपको चाहिए कि मुझे मेरे पास पैसा आए, तो आप अगर कुछ जाके डिफरेंटली करोगे, then definitely you're going to get rich. So you may say that it is impossible for you to get the land. But I'm going to prove to you that it is not impossible and that you can certainly get a farm if you will go to work in a certain way. Yesterday's chapter was saying कि अगर आप एक अलग तरीके से काम करते हो, then definitely you are going to get rich. So at different periods of tide of opportunity sets in different directions according to the need of the whole and at the particular stage of social evolution which has been reached, which I was reading now. At different periods, यानी अभी जैसे कोविड आया, टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ कोविड, राइट? अगर कोविड आया तो कोविड में कितनी सारी नई चीजों का इन्वेंशन हुआ, चलो कौन कौन बताएगा? Before COVID, our life was a bit different, and after COVID, what new things came in?
Digitalization. Then
Yes,
Zoom.
loudly a bit.
digitalization.
I cannot hear you.
Digitalization.
I don't know.
Then
Your sound is very low.
inventing the vaccination.
आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है मुझे बिल्कुल. Manju ma'am, you can hear her? I
No,
don't.
no, ma'am.
Yeah, because even I
And
thought
digitalization, she says.
आप क्या देखो साइड में से आपने वॉल्यूम कम किया है क्या मंगल?
Vaccination.
बिकॉज आपका आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है.
I will type.
I cannot hear you properly. Okay. So anyone else? Anyone else? See, at the different periods of tide of
Zoom
opportunity.
platform.
Yes, Atul ji.
Zoom platform.
Yes, Zoom platform came, online. Even the farmers started working online. GPay became very nice. GPay became more good, secured. Paytm aaya because, and then so many people got opportunities also, right? To work on the softwares and everything. So here they're talking about that. Get different periods of tides, kabhi kuch alag hota hai. Opportunity sets in different directions according to the needs of the whole and the particular stage of social evolution which has been reached. यानी उस present moment की जो भी जरूरत है, always change comes. So at present in America, it is setting towards agriculture and allied industries and professions. Today, opportunity is open before the farmer in his line, more than before the factory worker in his line. So today, opportunity is open before the farmer. He's talking about that time, okay? So it is open before the businessman who supplies the farmer more than before one who supplies the factory worker, and before the professional man who waits upon the farmer more than before the one who serves. तो उसके पहले ही यानी farmer is waiting that he'll get an opportunity, to provide his material to someone. There is already a professional man who's waiting to take his things from, to bring it into the market. Understanding what he's trying to tell here, that there are already chains of supplies happening. He's talking about that here. So there, how many of you feel कि opportunities जो है वो सिर्फ खास लोगों को मिलती है? Come on, be interactive. How many of you feel कि opportunities सिर्फ खास लोगों को मिलती है? You feel only opportunities are available to everyone or to खास people only? Special people?
Everyone.
No, no.
No, opportunities are
Every-
available to everyone, but हम नहीं देखते हैं उसको, right? So there is abundance of opportunity for the man who will go with the tide instead of trying to swim against it, right? बहुत सारे लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती, but I will not do this work. I will not do this. I will not at all work under him. I do not like this boss. I do not like this company. But see, universe is sending you opportunity. Universe knows आपकी growth किधर है. Universe knows where you are going to learn. But आपने मना कर दिया. You went against the tide. So here he's saying there's abundance of opportunities for the man. So the factory workers, either as individuals or as a class, are not deprived of opportunity. So the workers are not being kept down by their masters. They are not being ground by their trust and combinations of capital. This is all English. This English you might be feeling a bit little different, because that is why this book has been edited, because this has a words which are of the the first class English people who used to speak, so the workers are not being kept down by their masters. They are not being ground by the trust and the common. Now, what do you mean by masters? यानी जो owners रहते हैं वो. So the workers are not being kept down by the masters. They are not being ground by the trust. यानी जो companies है and combinations of capital. As a class, they are where they are because they do not do things certain way. तो वो आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहे? Because they are not doing the things certain way. So if the workers of America chose to do so, they could follow the example of their brothers in Belgium and other countries and establish a great departmental stores and cooperative industries. They could elect men on their own class, pass laws. ये सब उनका ये बता रहे. The working class may become the master class. Okay? Whenever they will begin to do things in a certain way. What do you mean by working class? What do you mean by working class? यहाँ पे working class means what?
Employees जो काम कर रहे हैं.
Yes, employees. The working class may become master class whenever they begin to do things. Like if you start thinking that, yes, I want to open a business, I want to do this thing, you can also do that. The law of wealth is same for them as it is for all the others. But हम क्या बोलते? नहीं नहीं, हमारे बॉस के पास तो पैसा है, हमारे बॉस के पास तो ये है, right? हमारे बॉस के पास ये things है. That is why people are having this, तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ये मेरे उनके पास ये चीजें हैं करके they are growing rich and we are remaining poor. But he's saying that opportunity is same for everyone. It is how you seize the opportunity. आप कैसे वो उसको हाथ में लेते हो. So this they must learn that they will remain where they are as long as they continue to do so. The individual worker, however, is not held down by the ignorance or the mental slothfulness of his class. He can follow the tide of opportunity to the riches, and this book will tell him how. No one is kept in poverty by the shortness in the supply of riches. There is more than enough. Very important. This is the important sentence in this chapter. Okay. No one is kept. Huzaifa ji, please keep yourself on mute. So no one is kept in poverty by shortness in the supply of riches. यानी किसी को भी कमी नहीं है, किसी को भी कमी नहीं है. Universe is giving everyone the same things. There is more than enough for all. A palace as large as capital as Washington might be built for every family on the earth from the building material in the United States alone and under intensive cultivation. This country would produce wool, cotton, linen, silk enough to clothe each person in the world finer than. Solomon was arrayed in all his glory, together with food enough to feed them all luxuriously. The visible supply is practically inexhaustible, and the invisible supply is inexhaustible. See, this is the important sentence here. The visible supply. Supply कौन देता है? Supply कौन करता है?
Vendors.
Universe.
Vendors.
Visible supply कौन दे रहा है हमको? Universe is giving you everything. पानी कभी कम होता है? हवा कभी कम होती है? नहीं होती है, राइट? आकाश कभी कम होता है? पहाड़ियां कभी कम हो रही है? नो. व्हाई ट्रीज आर गेटिंग लेस? बिकॉज वी आर कटिंग डाउन, राइट? सो द विजिबल सप्लाई इज प्रैक्टिकली इनएग्जॉस्टिबल. इनएग्जॉस्टिबल का मतलब होता है कभी नहीं खत्म होने वाला. एंड तो विजिट यानी जो दिख रहा है हमको, और जो इनविजिबल है, एंड द इनविजिबल सप्लाई रियली, एंड द इनविजिबल सप्लाई रियली इज इनएग्जॉस्टिबल. यानी जो दिखता नहीं है. क्या दिखता नहीं है? हवा दिखती है आपको? पानी तो हमको दिखता है, पेड़ दिखता है, आसमान दिखता है. हवा दिखती है आपको? सो द इनविजिबल सप्लाई रियली इज इनएग्जॉस्टिबल. Everything you see on the earth is made from one original substance out of which all things proceed. This is very important. That is why it is written in the different way. Everything you see on the earth is made from one original substance out of which all things produce. यानी यूनिवर्स ने एक चीज में से, जो भी हमको धरती पे दिख रहा है, एक चीज में से सब चीज बनाई है. उसी में से सब चीज मिलती है. ओके, धरती है, धरती में से क्या क्या चीजें आती है? कौन बोलेगा? अभी हमने मैजिक बुक की है, मिरर बुक की है. बोलो बोलो बोलो. सब भूल गए हो? देखने दो मुझे. धरती, धरती में से एक चीज निकलती है ना. धरती, सी एवरीथिंग यू सी ऑन द अर्थ इज मेड फ्रॉम वन ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस आउट ऑफ विच ऑल थिंग्स प्रोसीड. सो क्या?
एनर्जी.
ओके, व्हाट एल्स? व्हाट एल्स? धरती में से हर चीज देखो. योर धरती इज, दैट इज वाई दे से, व्हेन यू ट्रैवल ना, वहां की धरती को चूमो, नमन करो, माथा टेको. व्हाई? बिकॉज धरती हैज एवरीथिंग. इमेजिन दैट धरती, दैट मड हैज, see here he's saying everything you see on the earth is made from one original substance. यानी धरती के अंदर जो भी है, सॉइल में, वो सॉइल में से ही सब बाहर आता है. इमेजिन वो धरती में ऐसा क्या रहेगा कि इट कैन गिव बर्थ टू अ प्लांट. यू पुट अ सीड, राइट? तो वो धरती में से सब आ रहा है ना. यू आर गेटिंग प्लांट्स. धरती के अंदर यू हैव ऑल द मिनरल्स व्हाट यू आर यूजिंग. सोना, चांदी, गोल्ड, coal, everything, your gases, everything is coming out of that. So here it is saying कि everything you see on the earth is made from one original substance. यानी एक धरती है, उसके अंदर से हमको सब चीज मिल रही है, सब चीज, राइट? सो इमेजिन हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट अर्थ इज. एंड हमने कभी उनको नमन ही नहीं किया, हमने कभी उनको माथा ही नहीं टेका. So new forms are constantly being made and the older ones are dissolving, but all the shapes assumed by one thing. So there is no limit to the supply of formless stuff or the original stuff. Supply की लिमिट नहीं है. Formless stuff यानी जो दिखता नहीं है हमको, and original stuff. Supply, यूनिवर्स के अंदर सप्लाई बहुत है. अगर आप कल को बोलोगे मेरे पास तो पैसा नहीं है, but universe is giving everyone. It is how you are taking it, right? अगर आप बैठ के खाली बोलोगे मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, पैसा आ जाएगा क्या? ऊपर वाले ने आपको क्या दिया है? इंटेलिजेंस दिया है, दिमाग दिया है, बॉडी दिया है, सब दिया है. सो हाउ डिड स्टीव जॉब्स, अंबानी वर्क ऑन देमसेल्व्स, ऑन देयर आइडियाज, एंड देन दे मेड मनी, right? There are examples of chai walas, right? There are example of chai walas, here in Pune, in Maharashtra, we have Yovale Chai. Yes, so many outlets, right? How did this start? Chitle milk wala, how did this start? How did they start? Like if you go to see, they might have started, selling milk. Smallest ideas, say they took it to the bigger idea, right? Why did Ambani think of giving free data or free SIM cards? Tell me. Why he thought of giving? आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है जब ये बात सोचते हो कि why did Ambani think कि I should give SIM in free? Come on, answer. These are very common questions. We all know that we are all a professionals.
Extension of his
Yes,
uh,
extension of business. His idea.
expansion of his business.
Yes, his idea.
Expansion,
Yes, Atul ji.
expansion of his business.
Yes, extension of his business. He thought if my competitors are growing and they are charging money, if I give the cement free, I will get more people. I will get more people. More people will buy my sim because I'm giving it in free. And indirectly, I will be creating more business. So that is why he started giving his sim in free first. And then now the other people are giving, looking at him. So he came up with that idea. He used that idea. So you think universe is like universe is having everything. सबको सेम है. वही आइडिया अगर मैंने लगाई होती, मारिया ने लगाई होती, तो मारिया भी आज अंबानी होती, right? But it is how you use it. So the universe is made out of it, but it was not all used in making the universe. See here, I'm reading this again. There is no limit to the supply of formless stuff or original substance. The universe is made out of it, but it was not all used in making the universe. Okay, यानी यूनिवर्स में ऐसी चीजें हैं जो दिखती नहीं है, जो यूनिवर्स को बनाने के लिए भी नहीं यूज हुई है, बट इट इज देयर. It is there. The spaces in, through, and between the forms of the visible universe are permeated and filled with the original substance, with the formless stuff, with the raw material of all the things. यानी आपको पता है स्पेस है, we have planets, right? How was all this made? कभी आपके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आता है ये कैसे बना होगा, यूनिवर्स ने क्या सोच के बनाया होगा, व्हाई ऑन अर्थ ओनली देयर इज वाटर, व्हाई ओनली ऑन दिस प्लैनेट वी आर एबल, एंड समटाइम व्हेन आई थिंक ओ माय गॉड वी आर सेइंग ऑन अ प्लैनेट, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि यार हम प्लैनेट पे रह रहे हैं, व्हाई आर वी नॉट स्टेइंग इन सम अदर थिंग, वी आर स्टेइंग ऑन अ प्लैनेट. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस माइंड में आने चाहिए कि व्हाई डिड यूनिवर्स थिंक कि आप प्लैनेट अर्थ के ऊपर ही रह पाओगे, राइट? बिकॉज देयर वाज ऑल द फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल ऑन दैट. व्हाई ही क्रिएटेड ओनली अर्थ लाइक दैट? अदर प्लैनेट्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्टे. मर जाएंगे, मार्स पे जाएंगे तो मर जाएंगे, राइट? इतनी गर्मी. So 10,000 times as much as then we should not have exhausted the supply of the universal raw material. इतना है कि वो कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. They dig mines and mines, mines and mines, but still there are minerals inside, right? डायमंड्स भी मिलते हैं, सब चीज मिल रहा है, कोल भी मिल रहा है, everything. And no man therefore is poor because nature is poor or because there is not enough to go around. So no man therefore is poor because nature is poor. So you cannot say that the nature is poor or because there is not enough to go around. There is lots. Nature is an inexhaustible storehouse of riches. Imagine Rhonda Byrne read this book and she came up with the idea of making the book secret, and then she made the film, right? She also, after reading this book, used, her mind. Because यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सल लॉ है, एक लॉ है जो हमको फॉलो करना होता है. So nature is inexhaustible storehouse of riches. The supply will never be short. Original substance is alive with creative energy. What Prashant ji was saying, कि original substance is alive with creative energy. Energy, earth, complete universe is full of energy. And it's constantly producing more forms. Energy कहाँ से आ रही है? सोचो अगर सन अगर बोला कि मैं सुबह से शाम तक काम करके थक गया हूं, खत्म, एनर्जी खत्म, हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम मॉर्निंग से काम करके आते घर में, हम आते बराबर हमारी फैमिली को बोलते हैं टुडे आई एम वेरी टायर्ड, मेरी एनर्जी डिप्लीट हो गई, मेरी एनर्जी खत्म हो गई. सोचो यूनिवर्स में सन ने ऐसे बोला, मून ने ऐसे बोला, तो क्या होगा? They are inexhaustible. How nice. Learn from them. Learn from them that they are full of energy, right? Working day and night. We say the sun sets, but we know that the sun is not setting. The sun is at the opposite side, right? Giving day to the other part of the countries. So it is working for us 24 hours. 5 elements को thank you बोला हमने? नहीं बोला. So here, original substance is alive with the creative energy and constantly producing more forms. So when the supply of building materials is exhausted, more will be produced. And when the soil is exhausted, so that the foodstuffs and the material for clothing will no longer grow upon it, it will be renewed or more soil will be made. Means universe का soil का जो nutrients है ना वो भी खत्म नहीं होता है. Okay, so even if it gets exhausted, universe is making new soil inside it. Universe is providing it. How? देखो अपने आप वाटर साइकिल चलती है, बारिश होती है, पानी आता है. अपने आप वाटर साइकिल चलती है, पानी. You know, everyone knows how water cycle works. Everyone knows. सबको पता है क्या नहीं पता? जिसको नहीं पता बोलो. कैसे कैसे काम करती है वाटर साइकिल? चलो बोलो, किसको पता है? No one knows. सब साइंस भूल गए स्कूल का. We learned in the school. What? We learned in the school. Come on, tell. अरे water cycle.
अरे,
See
Evaporation,
how
condensation.
yes, very good, Prashant ji. He remembered. That is why, you know, हमारा brain है ना खराब हो गया जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ रहे. We are forgetting our main things only. See, condensation. What क्या होता है कि when the sun heats the water, water vapor is formed and the water vapor moves up. हमने तो बहुत सिखाया है स्कूल में water cycle. तो वो how the water forms is like, आपको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बारिश होती है तो पानी आता है. See, the sun heats the water of the seas and the vapors are formed. Those vapors go up, they form the clouds, and when the clouds become heavy, they cannot hold the water. It comes in the form of rain. Scientific explanation. They come in the form of rains. And that is how the water cycle keeps on moving every time, every day. हमको पता भी नहीं चल रहा है. हम क्या बोलते हैं, बारिश आती है तो पानी आता है. The same water is going up, coming down. The same water is going up, coming down. Imagine the universe creating such lovely things for us. और हमने कभी ये चीजों के ऊपर ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. हम पैसे 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 पैसे, right? We are just running behind that. So when all the gold and the silver has been dug from the earth, if man is still in such a stage of social development that he still needs gold and silver, more will be produced from the formless. See, अगर गोल्ड और सिल्वर भी खत्म हो जाएगा ना और आदमी इंसान को जरूरत पड़ेगी तो और बनाया जाएगा. The formless stuff responds to the needs of the man. It will not let him be without any good thing. What is the mean of formless stuff here? ये वर्ड समझने जैसे है. Formless stuff, universe, your universe, which we cannot see, जो भगवान, जो God, जिसको भी आप मानते हो, which is unseen. So the formless stuff responds to the needs of the man. It will not let him be without any good thing. यानी अगर खत्म भी होता रहेगा तो यूनिवर्स फिर से हमारे लिए वो चीज पैदा करेगा. हम मांगेंगे तो. मांग के तो देखो यूनिवर्स से, दिल खोल के मांगो. एंड हाउ? देयर इज अ वे, देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे ऑफ आस्किंग. दिस इज ट्रू. सी, हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम पेड़े चढ़ाएंगे, हम प्रसाद चढ़ाएंगे, हम ये करेंगे. नो, ही डज नॉट वांट दैट. ही वांट्स आवर अप्रिसिएशन. ही वांट्स द लव. He wants compassion inside us. That is what he created us for. So this is true of man collectively. The race as a whole is always abundantly rich. And if the individuals are poor, it is because they do not follow the certain way of doing things, which makes the individual man a rich. यानी riches तो already available है. अगर आप ध्यान से सुनोगे ना और समझोगे. शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग कि अगर आपको कोई चाहिए तो वो शिद्दत से यूनिवर्स आपको पूरा एक साथ लाने की कोशिश करता है. ड्रीम्स वर्क ऑन दिस फॉर्मेट. How many of you are still writing your dreams, reading your dreams, following the process? Up, you're not following the process only. How will you achieve? I am achieving. I have achieved more one or two things which I will be telling you all by next month. So bigger things which I am manifesting. So how? Because you're practicing. Your practices are very important. सी यूनिवर्स नीड समथिंग ना. अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं मैं तो 12 बजे तक सोऊंगा नहीं, मैं सुबह में जल्दी उठूंगा नहीं, हाउ इज गोइंग टू गिव यू? You also have to give something to get something, right? So certain way of doing things which makes the individual man rich. The formless stuff is intelligent and it is a stuff which thinks. It is alive and it is always impelled towards more life. So your universe is very intelligent. It is giving you everything what you want. It is natural and inherent impulse to the life to seek and to live more. It is the nature of intelligence to enlarge itself and the consciousness to seek, extend its boundaries and find fuller expression. The universe of forms has been made by formless living substance throwing itself into the form in order to express itself fully more. यानी यहाँ पे ये बताया रहा है कि universe does not have any boundary and consciousness to seek to extend its boundaries and to find fuller expression. It is there to give you what you want. The universe is the great living presence, always moving inherently towards more life and fuller functioning. Universe wants to give you. It is there, but we are not asking in the right way. Nature is formed for the advancement of life. हमारे लिए बना गया है nature. For impelling motive and increase of life. For this cause, everything which can possibly minister to life is bountifully provided. There can be no lack unless God is to contradict himself and nullify his own words. तो वहां पे lack नहीं हो सकता है because universe is there. Nature is formed for advancement of life. What do you mean by that? हमारे पास जो nature है, जो दिया गया है, nature has all your sky, your earth, your water, your trees, your hills, your mountains. All this is given to for our advancement of life so that we live life fully. Right? Universe ने कुछ सोच के ही बनाया ना हमारे लिए. So you are not kept poor by the lack in the supply of rich. It is a fact which I shall demonstrate a little farther on. Even the resources of the formless supply are at the command of the man or a woman who will act and think in a certain way. यानी जो भी हमारे पास है यूनिवर्स में वो हमारे कमांड में हमको मिलेगा. You command and you get it. And even the resources of the formless supply are at command. What do you mean by that? See, ये book में थोड़े से words are of old English, you know. So on that, even the resources of the formless supply are at the command of the man or the woman who will act and think in a certain way. Means if you start acting and thinking in the exact law, what the law wants, you know, you need to have a thing that this is what I need to follow, and then you will be getting it. अगर आप वो लॉ को फॉलो ही नहीं करेंगे, and we have understood the law. Law is gratitude, right? Gratitude for everything. So today's chapter was, you know, is opportunities monopolized. So take your journals. I will be giving you some sentence on the. Take your journals. Before we forget anything and we move to the gratitude writing, first make a list of the opportunities you have got in the life. Make a list of the opportunities you have got in the life from your childhood till now. ध्यान करो, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी कोई रेस में पार्ट लेने के लिए मिली होगी. अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू नो, टू डू सम कोर्स. योर पेरेंट्स माइट हैव टोल्ड यू कि ये कोर्स कर लो, या कोई फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया होगा, कोई टीचर ने सजेस्ट किया होगा. सिर्फ लिस्ट बनाना है आपको. अभी ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं लिखना, ग्रैटिट्यूड हम बाद में लिखेंगे. Before we forget, just write the list of the opportunities, 5, 10, जो भी याद आते हैं आपको. You got the opportunity to study in good college. Maybe you got the opportunity to do a course. You got the you got the opportunity, you know, to do something new. You got the opportunity to do some business. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स जहां पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, जस्ट आपको लिखना है गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी, ऐसा ऐसा, यू नो, ये कोर्स करने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, यू गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क एज अ टीचर, एज अ प्रोफेशनल, you got the opportunity to become a doctor or a software engineer, right? You got the opportunity. Some people don't get that also. Some want to become software engineer, but they don't have that opportunity. You got the opportunity to give interviews in some big company. Maybe you did not get the job there, but you got the opportunity to go and give the interview. Think of those opportunities today and just make a list of those opportunities. जो भी आपको opportunities मिली है लाइफ में अभी तक, बचपन से, स्क्रॉल करो, स्कैन करो अपने माइंड को, अपने ब्रेन को हम यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं फुल्ली. दैट इज व्हाई वी फॉरगेट व्हाट इज देयर इन द नेचर आल्सो. दैट रिमाइंड्स मी, मंजू मैम, हमने बहुत दिन से हेल्थ के ऊपर हमारा ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं किया है.
Right.
लास्ट टाइम वी डिड फॉर द थ्रोट, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव नॉट डन. राइट, फिर आइज का किया था हमने एक बार,
Correct.
नेक्स्ट का किया था. ओके, टुडे विल डू इट ओरली, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. सो मेक अ लिस्ट. आपको कॉलेज में कहाँ पे कोई नाटक में पार्ट लेने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, राइट? सी, मुझे किसी ने पूछा था ना कि किस चीज के लिए, समवन हैड आस्क्ड मी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर हु इट वाज, कि व्हाट थिंग्स टू राइट फॉर ग्रैटिट्यूड. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू राइट फॉर ग्रैटिट्यूड. किस किस चीज के लिए हम ग्रैटिट्यूड लिख सकते हैं? यू वांट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन योर लाइफ, so today is the time to write gratitude और अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज किस किस एरिया में आई बचपन से, आपको वो लिखना है, लिख के रखो. अभी खाली लिस्ट बना लो, क्योंकि आज हम शायद पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट लिस्ट बनाओ, देन यू माइट फॉरगेट इट. एंड मॉर्निंग में दिमाग अच्छा चलता है, दिन में शायद आप नहीं याद कर पाओ. कहाँ कहाँ पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. Maybe you got an opportunity to travel outside because of your company. Maybe you got an opportunity to complete some project, right? हमने कभी उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को थैंक यू नहीं बोला करके अभी हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं आ रही है, right? So write down what all opportunities you are getting. क्या क्या मिला अभी तक, बहुत सारी रहेगी लिस्ट में. what opportunities you have got.
By opportunity, it is only professional work level or
Anything. You have got opportunity in many ways. It could be professional level, it could be on the personal level also. Someone asks you to give a public speaking some speech, or maybe they asked you to do something for you in the marriage function. So you got the opportunity. They made you the head in that. Maybe आपकी फैमिली में आपको बोला गया कि आज ये फंक्शन है, आप उसका हेडिंग करोगे या आप उसको मैनेज करोगे. So you got the opportunity to do that, right? तो फैमिली में भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है हमको. इट्स नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. किसी ने आपको बोला आप आज आके गणपति की आरती कर लो, राइट? तो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली वो करने के लिए. तो देर आर मेनी थिंग्स इन द लाइफ वे यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. You became the guest of honor somewhere. Someone asked you to do the flag hoisting. So in your society, sorry, अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो बहुत मिल रही है हमको, हमको नहीं दिख रही है. Maybe you got the opportunity in your children's school to come and do something. Just make a list and keep so that we write gratitude for it. Done. Let's start writing now gratitude for parents. So you can write 5 for mummy, 5 for papa. चलो आज आप लोग बोलोगे. Now you all have been practicing with me. Yes or no? Hmm. Yes, start writing. What are you going to write? Who will tell me? Quickly. Chalo, chalo. Every time I'm not going to say. You also have to write gratitude. Gratitude for. Quickly. Chalo, Manju ma'am, start karo. I'm grateful to my.
मैम वी कैन राइट फॉर लाइक हम लोग बचपन में बीमार थे तो they have taken care of us, they have sacrificed their
Anything. What I'm
उन्होंने
saying
जो
is
भी
you're going to tell me the sentence. You're going to tell me the
ओके ओके
sentence.
I'm true I'm truly grateful to my mother for taking care of me when I was ill,
Okay.
for giving me medicines on time, for giving me food on
Yes.
time, sacrificing her sleep and waking up to give me medicine.
Yes. Yes, we can start. You can write on that. So I'm truly grateful to my mummy for taking care of me when I was sick. I am asking you to form sentences. Now, after this, now I'm going to be very, very interactive. आपको बोलना है अभी खुद से. अभी हमने इतने टाइम से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं ना, तो नाउ यू शुड बी नोइंग. कम ऑन. यस मंगल मैम, प्रशांत जी. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस चलो. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माई मम्मी। मम्मी के ऊपर ही बोलो, चलो फटाफट। आई कैनॉट हियर यू मंगल मैम। आपके एंड से कुछ तो भी हुआ है।
Can you hear?
कैनॉट हियर यू ओनली।
I don't know what happened.
Just come little in front and speak. So near the phone.
I'm happy and can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes?
Can you hear?
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't know what problem it is. I'm happy and grateful to my mother
Hmm?
because
Hmm?
she is always with me during my illness. During my
We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you. Okay, I'm grateful to my mommy because she always listened to me when I came back from school. चलो आगे प्रशांत जी। आई एम ग्रेटफुल बोलो टू माय मम्मी बिकॉज बोलो बोलो बोलो
For sitting with me for the study.
तो आई एम ग्रेटफुल पूरे सेंटेंस में बोलो। आई एम
I'm
ग्रेटफुल टू
I'm
माय
grateful to
मम्मी
my mom
बिकॉज
because you used to sit with me during my study.
used to sit with me during my studies. Very good. चलो what else? अतुल जी। I am अतुल जी somewhere out. I am grateful to my mummy because she always helped me to cover my books. I am grateful to my mummy because she always supported me in all that I did. सिर्फ मैं बोलती हूँ, आपको नहीं लिखना, आपको एक एक सेंटेंस अभी बोलना है। नाउ यू आर ओल्ड प्रैक्टिशनर्स, यू आर नॉट न्यू। आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माय डैडी। लेट्स कम टू डैडी नाउ बिकॉज he took me to doctor when I was sick. I am grateful to my daddy because come on बोलो अभी डैडी के लिए, चलो बोलो बोलो। Yes, vaccination. Okay. I'm truly grateful to my daddy because he took me for vaccinations. To doctor. मम्मी को लेके गए होगे ना साथ में जब आप छोटे थे तो। So I am grateful to my daddy. चलो बोलो आप बोलोगे नहीं, आपकी हिम्मत बढ़ेगी नहीं। बोलो बोलो, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माई डैडी।
I'm grateful to my daddy for playing cricket with me on weekends.
वेरी गुड, बिकॉज ही प्लेड। आप आपका भी लिख सकते हो। यस मंजू मैम, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माई डैडी। How many of you feel that when we are not doing the practice together, y'all are not practicing? खुद से।
Me.
Why? Now y'all are more than 2 months, 3 months with me. तो अभी थोड़ा सा तो प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए ना खुद से।
मैम वर्बली होता
एटलीस्ट
है
मैं 10 उठ के मैं 10 ब्लेसिंग्स तो अपने पेरेंट्स के लिख लूं, काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स लिख लूं, सिर्फ इतना भी आपने रोज का किया, then that will bring you into that practice that takes only 15 minutes. See,
नो मैम वर्बली होता है बट लिखना नहीं होता है.
that is what I'm saying na, कि you have to make it a point that 15 minutes you're writing. Writing is very important. Journaling is very, very important in this journey. Right? Because I'll tell you why. Journaling से feeling आती है. See, when you go deep into doing something ना, तब जाके feelings आती है. Okay, and that is what is, even I'm understanding. कि हम अभी इतने टाइम से करते हैं, बट जब व्हेन यू हैव दैट टाइम्स सेपरेटली सिटिंग जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर ड्रीम्स, एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन योर ड्रीम्स? आपके जो भी ड्रीम्स है, आपने अभी तक काम करना शुरू किया उसके ऊपर? Okay, let us finish this and then I'll talk to you all today. I really want to talk because I'm not hearing any results from you all. I'm grateful to my daddy because he always dropped me to school. Chalo, dropped me to school. I am grateful to my daddy because he gave me the opportunity. ढूंढो, अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या दिया था पेरेंट्स ने? To do my teacher training course. आप देखो, आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको क्या क्या दिया है। मैं तो बहुत लिखती हूँ, एंड मुझे रोना भी आता है पेरेंट्स का लिखती हूँ तो, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई लाइक टू सिट अलोन ऑल्सो एंड डू, बिकॉज मैं जब अकेली बैठती हूँ इनफैक्ट मुझे ज्यादा रोना भी आता है, बिकॉज आई कम इन टू दैट फीलिंग। नाउ आई एम मेकिंग यू ऑल डू। चलो, विल टेक ओरली, हमारा थोड़ा सा हेल्थ के लिए करेंगे। इफ यू आर फिनिश्ड 10 ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर पेरेंट्स, ओके, लेट्स टच आवर हेड। थैंक यू, thank you for my brain which is working so intelligently. Thank you for my head on which my hair is growing so well. Thank you for my lovely hair. Thank you for my skin and my face. Touch your face, which is so beautifully glowing day by day. And whenever I look into the mirror, I feel so happy for it. Thank you for my eyes, which are working so well at this age, that I'm able to see clearly and see the good in others. Thank you for my nose. I'm able to get all these different types of smell of food and the perfumes I use. It helps me to select the perfumes. Thank you, my nose. Thank you, my tongue, for all the taste I get. Even if it's medicines, thank you for that also. Thank you, my throat, for helping me to express and talk what I need to. Thank you. Thank you, my thyroid gland, which is working so well. Thank you, my shoulders, my arms, which help me work so well throughout the day. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Keep your hands on the heart. Thank you, my heart, for bringing in that compassion and the love for my family, my loved ones, and all the people around, and have compassion for everyone, whomever I meet. Thank you, my stomach. Keep your hands on your stomach. Feel the stomach. Thank you, my stomach, for digesting all the food. Thank you. Thank you for working so well and giving me all the nutrients in my body. Thank you, my thighs, for supporting my legs and helping me to stand, sit. Thank you, my knees, for helping me to bend, walk, move around, do my exercise, and do all my daily chores. Thank you, my calves and ankles, for protecting me, for making me stand in a manner which I really need to handle my things by standing and by walking, by moving and bending. Thank you for all the actions and the functions you perform. Thank you, my feet, to keep me grounded to the earth element and feel the energy every time I walk on it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my body. Thank you. Thank you for being so supple and strong. Thank you for providing all the intelligence. Thank you for providing the goodness and the strength which I need to do all the chores in my office and my household chores. My bathing, my brushing, all depends on you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Open your eyes and try to sit at least for 10 minutes. How many of you sit on the ground for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day? कौन कौन बैठता है? Yes, Mangal ma'am. You sit on the ground? Yes, you should sit on the ground. अगर आप आपकी पूजा कर रहे हो तो नीचे बैठ के करो. नहीं तो आप नीचे बैठो और खाना खाओ. अपनी थाली डाइनिंग टेबल से उतार के आप नीचे बैठो और नीचे बैठ के खाना खाओ. Very important for your health. That will help you because you're connected with the earth element. Okay. How many of you are not working with your dreams? Tell me. Why you all are not working on your dreams? Understanding नहीं हुआ है ड्रीम का? अरे प्लीज कम्युनिकेट तो करो मेरे साथ में.
मैम अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ है बट पता नहीं वो सही तरीके से कर रहे या नहीं. लिखते तो है
आप
मैम.
मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछोगे नहीं तो मेरे को कैसे समझ में आएगा? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. योर नो क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग फ्रॉम यू पीपल साइड. नो शेयरिंग्स आर कमिंग कि यस यू आर अचीव्ड दिस, यू आर अचीव्ड दैट. यस, आप बोलोगे नहीं कि तुम मुझे कैसे समझ में आएगा? बोलो ना. What understanding is not there? Tell me. Have you all made your vision boards?
विजन बोर्ड पेंडिंग है मैम. बाकी वो लिखना सोचना होता है, विजुअलाइजेशन भी होता है.
How many minutes you do?
5 minutes.
Do you write gratitude for your dream?
ड्रीम के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं लिखा है मैम.
You have to write that also. You have to write gratitude for that also. Chalo, what we will do is, we'll have one session for your dream working. सिर्फ. Okay. We will meet on Sunday or something. Sunday. I'll try to plan it on Sunday morning timings में, so that everyone can attend. But I want that you people call more people also. Call your friends, family members, जिनको भी करना है, so that everyone gets the understanding. See, the more you have your family members doing along with you and your friends doing along with you, you will have that energy of creating it also. And what you're going to do is, I'm going to give you again that 5 steps what we had done. Writing, everyone knows. Speaking, right? उसका ऑडियो बनाना है, उसको बार बार सुनना है. विजन बोर्ड बनाना है, एंड फिर उसको विजुअलाइज करना है. अच्छा, विजन बोर्ड क्यों बनाना है? Why vision board is important? आपके ड्रीम को आप देखोगे ना सामने, राइट? एक मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट बनती है, वैसे आपको देखना है, राइट? द डायरेक्टर विजुअलाइजेस कि ये सीन ऐसा होगा, ये ऐसा होगा, मेरी पिक्चर में ये चीजें ऐसी दिखेगी, राइट? देन ओनली दैट मूवी इज क्रिएटेड. इट्स द सेम थिंग विथ योर ड्रीम. You have to visualize. It should be, up, you are living that dream. You are living that dream. आप क्या चाहते हो, वो आपका ड्रीम आपको लिव करना है. बट दैट डे इफ आई एम टेकिंग दैट सेशन, you have to keep your vision board things ready also, so that you are able to make vision board. We will be working on the vision board. We will be working on how to do the gratitude on your dreams also. तो हम ये भी करेंगे. So please make it a point that you attend that. I'll try to plan on Sunday, maybe. If this Sunday not, then at least coming Sunday after that. Because Sunday, I'll try to plan on this Sunday only, because then I'm going to be a little busy with my few things which are happening in my house. So, and then again, the last week I'm traveling again to Ahmedabad of this month. So, आप देखो, I'll try to make it a point on Sunday. We will just keep a 2-hour this thing, and we'll work on our dreams. Working on the dreams. Okay. So Prashant ji, what is affecting you for not?
I usually sit around this time, ma'am. So ये जैसे class start हुआ, so I'm more focusing here, and my routine starts after that.
Okay. So in the daytime, you don't have any time. At night, you don't have any time. You don't get 15 minutes also at night. रूटीन तो सबका होता है. यस मंगल मैम, यू कैन लीव. रूटीन तो सबका होता है. हम लोग भी तो काम कर ही रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम काम नहीं कर रहे. देखो, रूटीन तो सबका ही होता है. बट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट आर योर ड्रीम्स फॉर यू? इट डिपेंड्स. You should have that burning desire. Yes, ये मुझे चाहिए. I should get in this dream. ये साल मेरा ड्रीम का साल होना चाहिए. This 2025, we have already reached in April, mid-April. In another 2 months, you're completing half of the year. So what are you expecting in this year? You all were not there. I think only Atul ji was there when we had worked on this year मेरा कैसा होना चाहिए. How should be your year and what you have learned from the last year. तो आपका year में आपको क्या, कौन से, यानी आपने ऐसे कुछ सोचा है कि नहीं बस इस साल तो मेरा ये वाला ड्रीम पूरा होना ही चाहिए? अगर आप उसके ऊपर काम नहीं करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? See, time, everyone has 24 hours. These are just excuses of our mind. And that is what even I realized, कि अगर आप एक्सक्यूजेस दोगे तो आपको कभी लाइफ में जो आपको चाहिए वो कभी नहीं मिलेगा. रूटीन तो सी, नाउ देयर इज अ रूल, कि आप कौन सी चीजों को इम्पोर्टेंस ज्यादा दे रहे हो. There are few things which other people can also be delegated. You can ask them to do. There are few things which you can delay. बाद में करूंगी. मेरा वार्डरोब तो कितनी बार खराब होता है, मैं फिर बोलती हूँ आज नहीं करूंगी, कल करूंगी, कल नहीं, परसों करूंगी, परसों. ऐसे I delay because I know that is not important than writing gratitude for me. So you think what are the important priorities in your life? That is very important. अगर आप उसके ऊपर सोचोगे नहीं कि मेरी लाइफ में मेरी प्रायोरिटी मेरा ड्रीम्स है, along with my family, along with my job, my dreams are my priority कि मुझे वो अचीव करना ही करना है. How will I remove time? चलो आज एक काम करो, पेपर लो, पेन लो, बाद में या रात में, सिर्फ रात में, ठीक है? अभी आप यू ऑल आर वर्किंग सो यू फील दैट वे, राइट इट डाउन. आप पूरे दिन में आप कितना बजे उठते हो? सबको 6 बजे, मैं एग्जांपल देती हूँ, आप 6 बजे उठते हो या 5:30 पौने 6 बजे उठते हो, वहां का टाइमिंग लिखो एंड राइट डाउन व्हाट डू यू डू. इवन इफ यू आर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ इन द मॉर्निंग फर्स्ट, आप क्लास होने के बाद बात लेते हो, तो आप वो भी लिखो कि आई लाइक एट दिस टाइम आई टेक बाथ, टेकिंग बाथ. Then 6 to 7, 6:30 to 7:30, I sit with ma'am for the session. After 7:30, I go in the washroom, I take my bath. After that, I take my breakfast, I wash my, whatever it is, and then you dress up, and then you move to the office, you reach the office at this time. From this time to this time, you are in the office. After office, you come back home at this time, you reach at this time, and at this time, what you do. I want your whole day routine written today with timings. आप क्या क्या करते हो और कल मुझे आप बोलोगे वो, ठीक है? अपना रूटीन मुझे चाहिए कि आप क्या क्या करते हो एंड कल, सो दैट वी आर एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली ऑन आवर ड्रीम्स. दैट इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू. ओके, राइट डाउन टुडे मैजिकल डे बिफोर वी मूव. आपका मैजिकल डे लिख लो. हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड लिखना था, बट नाउ सिंस इट्स गेटिंग टाइम, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक योर टाइम. अगर आपको टाइम मिलता है तो आज आपने अपॉर्चुनिटीज लिखी, एक एग्जाम्पल दोगे मंजू मैम? मैं आपको बिफोर आई लीव आई गिव यू ऑल वन एग्जाम्पल फॉर इट. अपने अपॉर्चुनिटी लिस्ट में क्या क्या लिखा है?
You want me to say everything or
No, only one or two if you just give me the example.
I have written that I got an opportunity to visit an international destination because of my work.
Very good. Okay, so now how will you write gratitude for it?
I'm truly grateful that due to my work, I was able to visit so and so country. I had
बस
the
इतना
opportunity
एक
to travel
ग्रेटिट्यूड
by.
लिखोगे?
No, I have
मैं
had the
इसमें से
opportunity.
बहुत सारे ग्रेटिट्यूड निकाल सकती हूँ, बोलो. हाँ हाँ, उसके लिए मैं
I had the opportunity to travel to through this airline. I visited this airport. I did shopping in this airport. Then I traveled from there to the other country. Then वहाँ पे मैंने shopping किया, वहाँ पे sightseeing किया, वहाँ पे मैंने food खाया, and stay किया hotel में.
You could wear different types of clothes there,
Clothes.
right?
Yeah.
तो आपके पास एक एक चीज को लेके ग्रेटिट्यूड करने के लिए कितनी सारी चीजें हैं, देख लो. मैं आपको आज सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ हाउ डू वी राइट ग्रेटिट्यूड व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग. अब आपने एक चीज पकड़ी कि आपको ट्रैवल की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, राइट? तो हमने ग्रेटिट्यूड यू कैन राइट, द मोर यू विल राइट, the more opportunities you will attract, because you are covering other, जब हम स्कूल में सिखाते हैं ना, we if you know, if your children are also studying, प्रशांत जी, they our subjects are connected with each other. Okay, जैसे इंग्लिश में you will see, you will have some maths. इंग्लिश का कोई चैप्टर रहेगा तो उसमें मैथ्स रहेगा, कि Raj was counting the marbles and he was flying 5 kites with his or his 5 friends were there. So 5 आ गया is what? Maths. Right? Same thing in maths, you have problems in English. If Raj had 5 marbles and he gave 2 to his friend, how many are left with him? So English ke sentences bane, right? Subjects are connected. So same way, when we write gratitude with our one thing, you're connecting clothes, you're connecting food, you are connecting shopping, you're connecting, the things you wore, everything. Right? You're connecting your happiness, what happiness you felt there, right? हाँ, how many places you visited, you got to see some new place. So आपने इतनी सारी चीजों के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड लिख दिया. अब जब आपने एक टॉपिक को लेके ग्रेटिट्यूड को इतने सारे कंटेंट्स में बांटा, you are attracting all those types of things in your life. So you'll start attracting more clothes, you'll start attracting more places, you will start attracting more flights because you're saying thank you for that. So that way, gratitude works. So how you can see the opportunities now, you can see, this book does not have any practices. I'm making these questions, these practices on my own. Okay? कि आपको आज के चैप्टर में क्या मिला, अपॉर्चुनिटीज, किस किस एरियाज में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली, एंड हाउ यू कैन बी थैंकफुल. और अगर नहीं मिलता है ना, तो एटलीस्ट हर एक अपॉर्चुनिटी को पकड़ के, जो भी आज आपने लिखा है, अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले इन अ क्रिकेट टीम, अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले बैडमिंटन, इन सम टीम, maybe in society you might have had some function and you got an opportunity to play a role in that. बचपन आप सब लिखोगे वो, एंड जस्ट राइट थैंक यू फॉर इट, कि थैंक यू, आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर दिस, थैंक यू फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज आई कुड प्ले इन दिस, थैंक यू फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज आई कुड ट्रैवल टू दिस डेस्टिनेशन. द मोर यू विल जर्नल, द मोर यू विल राइट ग्रैटिट्यूड, आपके अंदर फीलिंग्स आएगी. अभी आप लोगों के अंदर वो फीलिंग ही नहीं आई है. प्रशांत जी, coming into the feeling is very very important. Bring the feelings. Because that is why we write, because the moment you start writing ना, आपका दिमाग खुलता है, एंड आपका दिमाग खुलता है तो आपको रियलाइज होता है, ओ वाह यार, इतनी सारी चीजें हैं और ग्रेटिट्यूड करने के लिए. राइट? अगर आपका ड्रीम है कि मुझे यहाँ पे ट्रैवल करना है, तो उसके अंदर भी बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें जिसको आप ग्रेटिट्यूड कर सकते हो पहले से, कि आप अभी गए भी नहीं हो, बट आपने वहां की धरती को ग्रेटिट्यूड करना शुरू कर दिया, वहां के फूड को ग्रेटिट्यूड करना शुरू कर दिया, वहां के होटल्स को ग्रेटिट्यूड करना शुरू कर दिया, लाइक एवरीथिंग, वॉट एवर इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड, कि वहां पे क्या क्या अच्छी प्लेसेस है. वाह, आई एम अमेजिंग कि दुबई में इतनी सारी अच्छी प्लेसेस, आई कैन गो एंड विजिट है. सो आप उस चीजों को अगर थैंक यू बोलना शुरू करते हो, दैट वे यू स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर ड्रीम ऑल्सो. So understand the science. It is a science, I'm telling you. There is nothing that, कि मुझे कुछ ज्यादा मिला है या आपको कम मिल रहा है, या this thing. It is, everything is about your practice and understanding the science. The more you understand the science about it, you will see vast difference in your this thing, and you'll achieve your dreams. Because आपका mindset अभी तक change ही नहीं हुआ है. वो burning desire दिख ही नहीं रही है. खुद से today promise yourself कि at least 10 minutes I will take and I'll write at night gratitude. सुबह में मैम के साथ में तो किया, but I promise myself from today that at least 10 minutes I will come at night and I will sit and I'll just write gratitude कि आज पूरा दिन में मैंने क्या क्या खाना खाया. वाओ, थैंक यू फॉर दिस, थैंक यू, आज ऑफिस में यही वाला काम किया. अपने आप अपनी भी तारीफ करो ना, अपने लिए भी तो ग्रैटिट्यूड लिखो कि यार आज मैंने कितना अच्छा काम कर लिया. See, no one will come and help you to pull you up. You have to pull yourself up. You have to pull yourself up. Then only you will be able to work on yourself. तो आप अपने आप के लिए लिखो कि I'm grateful today I could go and have a cup of coffee in my office. Today I'm grateful that my meeting went very good. Today I'm grateful. कुछ नहीं तो खाली अपने पूरे दिन के लिए लिखो ना, रात को सिर्फ 10 मिनट. It takes 10 minutes to write 10 gratitude. I'm not saying क्या पूरा टाइम, बट आप ध्यान करना, आज आपको जो भी आप प्रकार रूटीन है आप पूरा लिखो. आप आके टीवी देखते हो, आप आपके जिम जाते हो, या आपके एक्सरसाइज करते हो, या जो भी आप करते हो आने के बाद भी, या किचन में हेल्प करते हो, जो भी आप पूरा सब लिखोगे. फोन स्क्रॉल करते हो वो भी लिखोगे. रील्स कितना टाइम देखते हो वो भी लिखोगे. सोने से पहले मैं कितना टाइम रील देखती हूँ, ये टाइम से ये टाइम, वो भी लिखोगे. देन टुमारो आई टेल यू हाउ टू वर्क ऑन योर डे. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स वाइंड अप. नो, लेट्स राइट अ मैजिकल डे. प्लीज राइट योर मैजिकल डे बिफोर वी मूव. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई डोंट नो, व्हेन आई राइट मेरे बहुत अच्छे काम होते हैं. मेरे बहुत अच्छे काम होते हैं. Like yesterday I had written 3 things, उसमें से मेरे 2 काम तो पूरे हो गए, एक मेरा नहीं हुआ, which I will be writing it today and then I will be going. Write whatever you want. Thank you लिखो पहले. I hope you know the format. See, if you want, I can read the book for you again and again, and book के साथ में कर सकते हैं हम. If you feel that you have forgotten.
मैम मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम वी कैन राइट 2 to 3 also ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही लिखना है.
Yes, yes, you can write. Magnificent outcome also you can write. I had to write also at the end, thank you for the good news coming to me today. And I'm seeing whenever I'm writing my good news, something or the other comes in, even if it is smallest, but then it comes in my way, on my way, like. Yes, so thank you all for joining. God bless you all. Let's bless each other with our dreams. Come on, do this, do this. मेरे हाथ में ink लगा है थोड़ा पेन का. So thank you. Just bless everyone, with कि whatever your dream is there, get it fulfilled. जो भी आपको अभी दिखते हैं उनके नाम ले लो. Thank you everyone for all the dreams getting fulfilled. Thank you. God bless you, Manju ma'am. God bless you, Prashanti, and fulfill all your desires. May you get all that you want. जो भी आपके मन में है, आपको भर भर के पैसा आए, आपको भर भर के आपके जो भी ड्रीम्स हो वो आपकी पूरी हो. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just keep on blessing every day whenever you see on the screen like that. Just bless, because when you bless others' dreams, your dreams also get, faster realized. So do that. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for
Thank you, ma'am.
joining. God bless you all. Have
you,
an
ma'am.
amazing, blissful day. Thank you.